Hey. Oh, what's up, junkies? Welcome back to the trap. Let's get this weight off. It's day 21, and yes, it is snowing. It's a snowstorm, but we about to go out get some fruit from the store. As I want some fruit, I'm out, so I might as well do it now before it get worse. But welcome back. It's day 21. Yes, it's day 21, and I am down 18 pounds. Let's go. Let's get it. Can I make it to 30? Can I make it to 30? What? Let's go. Let's get this weight off, baby. You already know what time it is. Snowstorm out here right now, and we gotta go get some fruit from the store, but we're not gonna let that snow stop us. So let's get it. We about to go up in the store and get it out the way. You already know what I'm about. We in and out. We got it in the drought. We doing this quick. Do not make this difficult. This is not difficult. This is super easy. We in and out. We getting what we need. We looking for some fruit. We grabbing that and we getting out. Okay, we found what we looking for. Let's see what we got. I either get this pineapple spears. Let's go. Want some raspberries. Should have grabbed a fucking basket, but make this do. This is actually a real good deal right here. 2 pints for $7. Don't mind if I do. And I love watermelon, but I like to see that strawberries. Nah, let's get some blackberries. All right, that's it. And here we are, just like that. Got what we came for. Got some fruit. Okay, we got our fruit. So let's next stop. Let's go see if we can find somewhere that we can go get some steps in for today. Just gotta get the steps in. I can't let the snow stop me. Yeah, baby, let's get it. It's day 21. I'm down 18 pounds. Let's go. Yeah, I'm feeling great. Oh man, I got a lot of energy. You know, it's weird because I'm sleeping the past few days. I work nights right now, so it's real tough. And I'm trying to find like a good. But you got to get rest. Rest is very important, especially in this process. Rest is just as important as everything else. It's just as important as, fasting, and it's just as important as, being mindful of what you eat. It's all everything matters. Everything that you do matters to a degree. So without no sleep, it's pretty hard to function at an optimal level. And that's not just me, that's for anybody. Your body needs rest to do what it needs to do, to keep you going, keep you healthy, keep you strong. So yeah, we got to get that. But day 21. Let's see. The past week has been up and down. Kind of struggled a little bit as far as getting past that 15-pound mark. Mainly because I wasn't as consistent. I did mess up a couple of times, or I don't want to say mess up, but it's not a perfect journey. So, I'm mindful and I'm cognizant of that. But I am on a journey, so we're not stopping. We're gonna keep going. When we fall down, get back up. Y'all know the deal. So it's snowing pretty bad out here right now. I don't know where is this gonna take me, but we'll see how far we get. If it gets too bad, I'll turn around and go back home. But as of right now, just cruise the streets. Let me tell you, I got issues. So this is what happened. So, alright, I got a PlayStation 5. Alright, so this is what happened. I have a PlayStation 5 that I have not played
in months. It's collecting dust. And they got this new little gadget out called a Portal, PlayStation Portal. It's like a little portable PlayStation, little handheld game. I'm into like little technology, little gadgets. I love my little gadgets. It's just my thing. So yeah, I came out in the storm for some fruit and to pick up my little PS Portal so I can have something to keep me busy while it's snowing. It's pretty snowy out, so yeah. But yeah, it's day 21, and yeah, the last few days, man, just been super snowy and cold here in Buffalo. The Bills won. We got that W. We off to the AFC Championship game. Yes, sir. And back at it. We're just continuing to fast and we're continuing to stick to our goals. We're not putting it off this year. We're doing it. 2025. I came out to get my little PlayStation Portal, keep me busy, keep me occupied. Throughout this is actually not the smartest idea coming out. I didn't really know that it was a storm. I just know that it was snowing. But it seemed like it was a bit of a storm. It's whiteout conditions. It's not too bad where I'm at underneath this little hut right now. But we'll see how it is once I get back out there. The guy next to me is actually brushing the snow off his car. But yeah. So you guys get a quick glimpse of everybody over here. I'm gonna get some snow off of their cars. So yeah. But yeah, we out right now. I got the fruit. I secured the bag. So see what we got. Got some pineapples. I like the pineapple spears better than the little cubes that they cut it into that you could get it like cut up. I got 2 pints of blueberries for $7, which is actually a really good deal. It's like $3.50 a piece, with blueberries usually more than that. Got me a little 6-ounce thing of blackberries, more blueberries, and some raspberries. So these are some of my favorite fruits. That's why I selected these fruits. These fruits are good to me. I like the way that they taste, and I enjoy them a lot. And I actually can't wait to eat them. But yeah, when it comes down to fruits, get the fruits that you enjoy. Don't go buy something, because somebody said, "Oh, this is good for you." Buy what you enjoy. Like the short. So if you like a apple, get an apple. If you want watermelon, get watermelon. Don't be inside the store. You don't gotta be inside the store looking around for a half hour trying to decide. Just go in, pick something, get in line, get out. Simple. Because the longer you stay inside the store, the harder it's gonna become to stay disciplined. You're gonna start looking at all different type of things. I mean, the store is geared, set up for you to buy things. So once you walk into that store, the clock is ticking. But speaking of the store, I stopped at Walmart to grab this little PlayStation Portal here. It's a neat little device. Hopefully it keeps me busy and occupied through the storm. Or maybe it'll just collect more dust just like the PS5. We'll see. But as of right now, I'm going to start driving and hit the road so I can get back home safely because the snow is actually coming down pretty fast right now. So, yeah, it's day 21, and we still at it. I didn't really get many steps in yet today. I will get some steps in at some point. But yeah, it's just a journey. We into the fast right now. I think I am probably somewhere around 20-hour mark into my current fast right now. And yeah, we're just gonna keep it going. And we're gonna see what we weigh like tomorrow. So as of right now, I'm doing like these fasts. I started out doing started out with 72 hours fast, and I'll break it, right? Actually, I gotta get out my car. So I gotta get this camera. My rear view camera is all blocked up. Pause. That's actually quite important to see where you're going when you're driving. That's really the only way to do it. I mean, you're not looking where you're going while you're driving, and that's how accidents get created. And that is no bueno. So yeah, it's day 21, and feeling pretty good. You know, it's actually pretty strange because I'm just paying attention to my body. Like, I'm locked in right now. So, you know, I'm seeing how I feel. And based off of how I feel, that's how I'm adjusting and making my adjustments. And I'm also stepping on a scale every day and seeing how my weight fluctuates based upon what I eat and how long I fast. And it's really that simple. There's no science behind it. There's no gimmick. There's no secret. There are some secrets as far as helping you get through your fast longer and things like that. Little hacks, which I'm sharing as I go along, as I find out in real time. And but it's really not, you know, it's difficult as people try to make it seem. We out here skirting right now. Through the snow. Skirting through the snow. But yeah, you know, be safe out there. Stay tuned. You know, buckle up when you drive. Don't, you know, mimic any of this. What I'm doing. This is not safe. I would not advise this. And if it's a storm, also stay home. Do not go out, you know, trying to get your whatever from the store. I don't care what it is. It's not worth it when it comes down to having a potential injury or fatality, because these storms can be very dangerous and very real. So just be mindful of that. It may look cool and fun, but it can be not so fun real quick. You know, if you get stuck somewhere, you might be on the expressway, traffic jam, accidents, you know, response time for emergencies is super high at this moment right now because of the weather conditions. Vehicles can't travel at the rate of speed that they normally would. Have to reduce speed drastically. So yeah, we're just chugging along here trying to make our way through the storm! This here is the best flavor, in my opinion. One of these. And we'll try the grapefruits. I don't know why I always come in here and I never grab a cart or a basket.
Skip 4, 59, 4.